Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Yin Hao here. In this video, we will take a look at a review of the TCC Deluxe Ring and Rope. The TCC Deluxe Ring and Rope comes in a black cardboard envelope. The link to the tutorial video is printed on the inside of the envelope. They have included 2 ribbons, which is very nice, but of course you can replace it with the ribbon or rope of your choice. Last but not least is the solid metal ring. The ring is made out of aluminium or aluminum. The ring is seamless and looks very nice. Mine seems to have a little blemish, but this does not affect the function of the ring in any way, and it is not visible when performing. Because of the material that it is made out of, it is lightweight yet solid. A plastic ring may be too light, and a brass or stainless steel ring might be too heavy. For comparison, this 3-inch brass ring feels heavier than this TCC Deluxe ring. The ring has an outside diameter of 16 centimeters or about 6.3 inches. The inside diameter is 14 centimeters or approximately 5.5 inches. The size of the ring is typically larger than what is available on the market for ring and rope. The ring has a thickness of 1 centimeter or approximately 0.4 inches. It is nice and thick compared to something like a close-up linking ring. The tutorial is 38 minutes long and contains modular moves which you can add or take away from your routine. Surprisingly, there is no full uncut routine. Approximately 10 ring and rope moves are taught. The ring also can work perfectly with any of your existing ring and rope routines like from Aldo Colombini, Daryl or David Williamson. The TCC Deluxe Ring and Rope retails for USD $40. But as with all TCC products, these goes on sale from time to time on the TCC website. If you are in a market for a solid metal ring for your ring and rope routines, I highly recommend the TCC Deluxe Ring and Rope. I hope you find this short review for the Deluxe Ring and Rope useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!